Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your GitHub Copilot subscription. If you've decided that Copilot isn't quite meeting your needs or you're looking to cut back on subscriptions, this straightforward process will help you end your billing cycle cleanly. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that has the active Copilot subscription you want to cancel. After logging in, look up to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your account. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your main account configuration page where you can adjust everything from your profile details to security settings. Once you're in Settings, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of categories that organize different aspects of your GitHub account. Scroll down and click on Billing and Licensing. This section houses all your payment information, active subscriptions, and licensing details, making it the central hub for financial management on GitHub. Within the Billing and Licensing page, you'll see another option near the top. Click on Licensing. This is where GitHub displays all the products and services you're currently subscribed to, including Copilot, enterprise features, or any other paid add-ons. Now, I should mention that in my case, I'm not currently subscribed to Copilot, so I'll be showing you the next steps based on the process GitHub provides for active subscribers. If you do have an active subscription, you'll see a section labeled GitHub Copilot. Scroll down until you locate this section on the page. On the right side of the GitHub Copilot section, you'll notice a button or drop-down that says Manage Subscription. Click on this to reveal your options for modifying or ending your subscription. From the drop-down that appears, select Cancel Subscription. This action tells GitHub that you want to terminate your Copilot service. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify your decision. This is GitHub's way of making sure you don't accidentally cancel something you still need. To finalize the cancellation, click the button that says Cancel Copilot Pro Plus or Cancel Copilot Pro, depending on which plan you're subscribed to. Once you click this, your subscription will be set to cancel at the end of your current billing period, meaning you'll still have access until then. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your GitHub Copilot subscription, and you won't be charged going forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.